Hey guys. So you're joining an episode of Cooking with Caroline. I'm actually a huge fan of Remy Ashton, and she does Cooking with Remy's. But I'm also a huge fan of Devin Windsor, who is a Victoria's Secret model, and she does cooking videos all the time. With that said, I've been super inspired by them to make my own cooking videos. This is actually a recipe I'm trying off of Pinterest. It's a Rocky Road fat bomb. It makes 20 of them. All you need is almond butter, cream cheese, your choice of nuts. I picked peanuts, unsweetened coconut flakes. That was my own preference to add. I think that will give a little bit more texture. And then your choice of chocolate chips, and I picked 100% cocoa because I want these to be more of a healthy side of things and also a sweet treat. So with that said, we're gonna get started. 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm just gonna take about half of the container. 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter. I use Land O'Lakes butter. Oh, that's slippery. 1/2 cup of butter. I'm gonna put that in there. Next is 1/2 cup of almond butter. I got crunchy because I wanted some more texture to it. So, yeah, that's about 1/2 cup. So I'm just put that right in there. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Oh my gosh. To add a pinch of pink sea salt, which we have. Way too much salt, but we're just gonna add a pinch. So I'm gonna mix this. I'm leaving. Okay, I'm making the food. This chocolate bar's in a wrap. It's just, I got this 100% cocoa powder or cocoa chocolate. And all I'm gonna do will hold me. Okay, I said 8 ounces, and that's just okay, next step, add some of the peanuts. I'm just gonna eyeball these. Like that much. Add coconut flakes. Oh, these are the peanuts. That's like texture. Fold all the ingredients into our you guys, it's gonna be so good. Baking sheet. Just scoop out about 20 of these. Put these in the freezer. Okay, it's been about an hour. Do you like it?
Yeah.
I think it tastes good.
I like nuts.
Approve.
I'm gonna try these.